Hi guys, I went to San Juan, Puerto Rico a couple weeks ago and I loved it. I didn't want to come back to the States. I was able to miss a snowstorm in the States. My brother and I drove to a beach in a residential area. There were only a few people at the beach. The beach was beautiful. It was very windy and slightly cool that day. It was difficult to take a video because of the heavy wind, but I did the best that I could. I love Puerto Rico and all I want to do is go back to Puerto Rico.